Mm. All right, I'm live. Let's see if anyone shows up. My shoulder's killing me. What else do we have here? Retouch is on. Oh, look how pretty I look. All right, we'll leave retouch on. What's this? At least 1 minute of content is needed to create a short. All right. I got a thumbs up. Someone's here. Vicky's here. Hey, Vicky. What's happening? Who's that? Ocean? it's like all the irregulars. So it looks like TikTok sold. TikTok sold, and YouTube's now doing lives. Of course, I am. YouTube's now doing lives, and I think they're going to start boosting the lives because they want to catch up to TikTok. What are you doing, Kyle? I'm rubbing my shoulder. I slept weird on my shoulder, and I got a really sore muscle right here. So I'm trying to work that out. And I was just sitting here. I either have work to do, or I could go, why don't I go live? Oh my God. So nothing. I'm not doing anything. I'm just hanging out. I just wanted to actually see if anyone showed up to this and if YouTube promoted it and all sorts of shit like that. What else do we have here? We got green screen. Got settings. Lighting on. Lighting off. I guess it's better with lighting on. So now I'm retouched and I'm artificially younger and I'm artificially lit. You're creating a course. Good. Good. I've got the overview now, so I can create the descriptions for each of the courses. I did get a notification, so they are promoting it. All right, that's interesting. I got 2 thumbs up and 1 person here. Now 4 people here. Do you have a hot bag? It works well with sore shoulder. I don't. I'm at work. So, and it's you know what I did. Well, whatever I did last night, I slept on it weird, and I woke up. It was really sore. So I took the thumper to it. You know those thumper things, and so I bruised it because I thumped the shit out of it to try to break it up. And so now it's just bugging me. So I'm just rubbing it. Well, welcome everybody. Wait, how many people are here? 27 people here? No, 12 people here. 12 people. But still, that's a lot. This is the AI Learning Lab. I'm Kyle Shannon. If you have questions about AI, feel free to ask. I am not really officially live. I mean, I am. I'm here. But I have no agenda. I've never gone live on YouTube Live. I just wanted to see what would happen if I did. So we lost 5. We lost 5 the minute I said they can ask a question about AI. They're like, I'm out of here. I don't hear about your stupid artificial intelligence. It was more fun when you were talking about your shoulder. Oh man, it did say. Oh, it did say 27 for a hot second. Okay, I just thought my eyes were bad, which they are. Um, so it was 27, then it was 12, then it was 7, now it's 9. Yeah, maybe I don't know. Maybe they're doing some weird promo stuff with it. Tag free. Oh, tag fans. What happens if I tap that? Oh, you're in here. I got Ocean and Vicky are my top fans. Well, thanks for being my top fans. My top fans showed up. I'm trying to think if anything. Luma Labs came out with a new chain of thought video model where it's kind of like Nano Banana, where you can make a video and then you can say like, remove that thing. You can kind of do editing within a a video sequence, which is kind of cool. And it looks like they're giving everyone free access to it through the end of September. But when I went to play with it, I put in a prompt, I put in a starting image, and then it just spun for like an hour, and then it just deleted my prompt altogether. So I have a feeling their servers are overloaded. Now 7, now 5. Ah. All right. Well, all right. I guess nine people here. If you're new here, I'm Kyle Shannon. This is the AI Learning Lab. I've never gone live on YouTube. I usually go live on TikTok, but I wanted to go live here just to see if anyone would show up with no promotion, and 11 people are here. So if you have questions about AI, pop them in the comments below, or just say hi. Have empathy for me. I have a sore shoulder. I got a boo-boo in my shoulder. It sucks. Duchess God. Hello, hello, hello. So what's the deal with TikTok? Is it still around? Yeah, apparently TikTok sold to Oracle, some investment VC group, and Andreessen Horowitz. So it's going to be around. You're going to have to delete. Well, the normal TikTok app is going to stop working, so you'll have to download the US TikTok app. China, ByteDance will be licensing the algorithm to the US, but it'll be managed in the US. China or ByteDance retains 20% ownership. And yeah, and I guess those guys have 80%. But I assume we're going to have to start over. I assume we lose all of our international folks. So I think I might just, if this is smart of YouTube to make a live thing like this. So I think what I might just do is just flip over to YouTube. Fuck them. Where are you from? I am from, like Don. Hello. What's your name? Renew. Cool. I'm in Denver. So start over with views and followers and stuff. I assume so. If you have to download a new TikTok app, I mean, it would be wise of them. It would be wise of them to have the same logon information. And so if what happens is this, if when you download the new TikTok app, it retains your username, all of your videos, your history, and then all of your users that are US based. I guess that's how, like, yeah, I don't know why global users would use a US only app. So if it retains like the bulk of US users and your history, then I might use it. But if it's like, if I'm starting over, I might as well start over here. So I don't know. What is the difference, and which one do you purchase for $20? Oh, OpenAI. Oh, Gemini and OpenAI. What's the difference, and which one do you purchase? If you were just going to purchase one, I mean, they're ostensibly the same thing, right? You've got a large language model. It's multimodal. You could certainly argue that Gemini's got better video with VO3, but to generate any amount of it, you're paying way more than $20 a month. So I find Google's user interface harder. Their products are just weird, but the large language models, like Gemini as a large language model, the 2.5 Pro version and the Flash version that's got Nano Banana in it, are pretty good. But if you're looking for the industry leader right now is still OpenAI. So The last time I did a back to basics with ChatGPT, ChatGPT has like 25 different features in it. It's not just a single app anymore. It's a whole bunch of shit. Um, if I were just going to pick one, I'd pick ChatGPT just because they're the leader right now. Google is certainly catching up, and Google's doing some things better than OpenAI, but just in general, both companies right now are struggling to be a consumer application company. They're both engineer heavy companies struggling to figure it out. I tried OpenAI for a month. It was great. Yeah. I mean, ChatGPT is great. Like I use it every day, multiple times a day. Um, it looks like there was a new survey that was out. 18% of people are using large language models multiple times a day. I think it was 18%. But that still means 80% are not. 82% are not. So, all right, we're down to 2 people. All right, I guess I'm going to get on out of here. I just wanted to test this thing out. So good seeing you both. Peace out, and I'll see you tonight. Bye.